Good evening. Welcome to new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about the series positive clipper. In that, we have the with positive bias. It means that across the resistor, we are going to place a voltage of DC voltage with a connected in series mode such that it will act as a positive bias mode. So let's look into that whether it is behaving like a positive bias or negative bias, whether it is behaving like a clipper circuit or clamper circuit, that and all we are going to see in this session. So why you are waiting? Let's go right. So we'll recap the previous session. Okay. So if it is connected in positive mode, it is connected in negative bias voltage, then it is called as positive bias. When it is connected in this mode, it is in positive, this is in negative, this is in reverse bias. So in this case, maximum output voltage is whatever the voltage you are giving, we input. Okay. In this case, the output is 0 volts. Correct, right? This is how we are discussed in the past lecture. So, by quickly recapping all these things, now we'll understand this thing, this wave. Okay, let us assume this is my input wave. How many inputs I am giving? I am giving one sinusoidal wave, and I am giving a reference voltage of, let us consider 2 volts. So, this is my 2 volts line. Assume this is my 5 volts and this is 2 volts. Okay, in reference with that we will observe. Okay, this is my reference 2 volts and this is my waveform. So this is my positive half, this is my negative half, this is my positive half, this is my negative half. During positive half, this will be positive and this will be negative, and this is negative, right? So in such a case, one is positive, another is negative. It means that this resembles the condition of 2. So in such a case, maximum output should be 0 across the diode 0. But if you consider point A and point B, in between a reference voltage of 2 volts are there, right? So that 2 volts itself gives as a output. So clearly notice, up to this is, after that this 2 volts as the output. Okay, these 2 volts as our output. This is the only reference lines. So this is our voltage. Okay, after that, when it is reaches to the negative half, so this sign changes to opposite manner. These signs changes to opposite. This is negative and this is positive. So in such a case, this is positive. So this is connected to short end is connected to negative, long end is connected to positive. It applies for first condition. So during that case, this will be in forward bias mode. So the maximum output should be the negative half voltage, whatever the voltage you are getting. So this one. So this will give us our output. So in similar fashion, the output is going to come for the remaining output. So one cycle I am been explaining. For one complete cycle, I have been explaining. After that, this resembles the same. Don't think this is triangular wave. This is sine wave only. Because of my drawing, it is coming like that. Okay. Don't. So in such a way, this output waveform is going to be come. This is my V output and this is my input. Okay. For positive half, this is in reverse bias mode. So on such a case, whatever the voltage here at a reference taking, that voltage will be acts as a output when it is in reverse bias mode. So reverse bias mode, that will resembles. When it is in negative mode, it means that it is in forward bias mode. In such a case, it will allow the maximum output whatever the input you are giving, that will be resembles on the output side. So that will resembles in the negative cycle. So only case is such that in the positive half only 2 volts is as taken, in the negative of same output you are getting. So this is the case. Okay, in this way it is going to be work. Let's execute in the multisim. You will clearly understand. Let's go to multisim. So here you can clearly notice I have been already designed a circuit such that with a positive bias. Okay, I'm stop this one, and you, if you want to notice over here, so during my positive half cycle, so you can notice over here, during my positive half cycle, it will reaches to 2 volts because of this reference voltage across the diode. There is no voltage is present. So in such a case, my output should be 2 volts. After that, in the negative bias, means when it is crosses in the negative half cycle, it is in forward bias mode. So the maximum output should be delivered. So in this way, we will going to get the output waveforms. So this is way, in this way, this positive clipper circuit in the positive bias mode is going to be act in such a manner such that it will clip the part of positive waveform and it will not negative waveform. It will give the as it is. So in this case, this will be the output. We'll check for different outputs whether we are going to get or not. So in such a case, yes, we are getting right. When after the 2 volts, it is reshaping all the things. We'll try for another square wave also. The square pulse we are not getting correct, right? This square pulse, yes, we are getting. This is 2 volts reference line. After that, this one, because this is the up and down, which means it is having a 2 volts as a constant voltage, right? So that will fill this gap and it is retaining the already having shape. So okay, to understand this one we'll wait. So here we have this constant. In square pulse we have the both the amplitudes are in constant, which is plus 1, it is constant, right? Whereas in sine wave we are having like a different shape, whereas in that is having same shape, but this reference voltage having same shape. So those are two combined and the resulting is combination of both. So in such a case, we will be going to get that output waveform. So this is how for this section. If you have any doubts, please comment us below. Thank you for watching.